What's up, bigger kiters? You've probably seen the Surfr board mount before. The board mount enables you to measure your edging, get onboard coaching,
Sweet for great technique, a good speed, good approach angle, and a good toss angle.
have multiplayer boost offs with your buds,
745 here,
and see your jump height straight after you land. Shortly after the launch of the product, there was an issue with the production process, so Surfr stopped selling the board mounts. Basically, the prototypes were coming out perfectly, but when they were being mass manufactured, a small number of mounts had issues with the thickness of the plastic walls. It was such a bummer for Herbert and the team because they've been working super hard on the board mount for years. The good news is that the Surfr board mount is back in stock and they're giving a relaunch discount. The discount is only available for a limited time, so get it now if you want to save. So I've got a question for you. Have you ever tried to manufacture something before? I have, and I've got to say that it's way harder than I would ever expect. So hats off to all the engineers out there. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you love kitesurfing as much as I do. And if you got any questions, just drop them in the comments. Muchos besos. Adios.